Hey, what's going on? This is Jai Gallo with Platform. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to import members into your platform. If after you watch this video you have any questions about how to import members or you have any questions about anything else, you can, from inside of your platform account, navigate to the support hub and click chat with us. And what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to type anything in here and it'll go directly to us and we can chat back and forth and we can get you fixed up. You're also free to submit a ticket, go through the frequently asked questions, or click the help docs and check out anything else that you need. If you don't have a platform account, you can go to platformarea.com and get started for free today. Back to importing members. To import a member, you go down to members, and what you'll do is you'll click this link that says import member. And it'll give you two options. It's going to give you an upload option and a download template option. So you're going to have to download the template so that you can structure your members' information accordingly so that Platform can read it and create an actual member out of that. But before we do that, I want to talk about something really important, because this import member is only available before you set up your payment option. If you go to your app settings and you go to payment, you can see this is a new account and I haven't set up payment yet. That means currently I have my members area set up that people can start for free. After you select one of these options, you solidify your payment for your app, you will no longer be able to import new members. So you're going to want to make sure that you import whoever you want to import into your platform prior to setting up your payment information. With that out of the way, let's go back and import some members. Again, we're going to click import member and we're going to download this example template. You can click download and save. You can open that template, which is just an Excel spreadsheet. It's a CSV file, which is very common. A lot of times when you download contacts from an email autoresponder or any other place, they're going to give you that contact list and that data in a CSV file or in a spreadsheet, basically. So this is our template. First name, last name, email, phone, password. This is what you're going to want to list out for your contacts so that they get imported properly. Let's just import two people, John Smith, and we'll do support platformarea.com. Spread these columns out so we can read them if we want. And I'm going to give a phone number 555-555-5555. And we're going to do a password, which is just John ABC. And let's do another one, Jane Doe. Let's do info@platformarea.com. Let's do this number as 555-555-5554. And we'll do Jane ABC. If you are importing a bunch of people, you're going to need to create a password for them too. If you have a very long list, what you can do is just give everybody the same password. Now you can change it if you want, but you can give everybody the same password because most likely none of your contacts are going to have the other contact's email anyhow. If they all have the same password, that's fine. They're all going to have different emails, and John Smith isn't going to know what Jane Doe's email is. The other thing that you could do is you could go and manually change these passwords as you want. But what you can do is just copy this cell, and then you can just paste in all of the same password if you want. And you can mix it up if you wanted to. However you want to do it, that's fine. But make sure that you have a password applied. If you do not have a password applied, that contact is going to bounce and it's not going to be imported. Also, if you have duplicates, one of those contacts will not be imported as well. If you already have a member with the same email address, example, if somebody is already in my platform as a member with the support@platformarea.com and I try to import that person, then example, maybe I created a test member with support@platformarea.com and then I try to import this CSV file, it's not going to import, it's going to bounce that out. So now that we have these two people and these two contacts in our CSV template, we're going to save this. And then we're going to go back to our platform account and we are going to click upload. We're going to select that file and we're going to click OK. Now you can watch, this is going to happen. This is going to happen really fast. And now you can see imported new members, and here's John Smith and Jane Doe, and they are new members into our platform. The other thing you can notice is John Smith came in first. This will be in order from oldest member to newest member. That's how this will lay out inside of your member list. We're going to go ahead and test this account to see if we can get in. And it worked. We were able to get into our membership area. And we can check the profile. And John Smith, here's his information. And you can see his subscription, he's on a free plan and he is active. If we go ahead and set up our payment then for our platform, what'll happen is this guy will be able to log in, but he's going to be locked. So to see anything, he'll have to enter in his credit card information and actually pay for the subscription to this members area. So again, if I go ahead and I go to payments and I set this payment up, what'll happen is this guy will get locked. He'll have to pay then to unlock this. And that is how you import members into your platform.